Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Microsoft has all sorts of ways to try to have you purchase a different plan, upgrade something that you maybe don't want to upgrade, but they are definitely a business. And one of the things that is annoying a lot of people, and I mean, I've seen it. Does it annoy me? No, not really, but yeah, it's there and it's visible. And some people find that it doesn't have its place there. It's fine that Microsoft asks people to maybe upgrade a plan for Microsoft 365 and stuff like that, but it shouldn't be like just a button on the app. So a lot of people have been complaining. Here's the PowerPoint app, and it has the upgrade your plan button right there. And of course, Excel, same thing, upgrade your plan button right here. Word, upgrade your plan here. These are definitely there, visible, but I can't call it an annoyance for me. But it seems that a lot of people are annoyed, and they're saying, "Well, shouldn't be there. Just put it somewhere in the menu where if we want to upgrade, we'll just go in the menu and do it, but not necessarily just shove it in our face like this, which a lot of people are not liking." So definitely, Microsoft is pushing hard on its apps and on trying to make you upgrade to a different plan and change things to make more money. And this is part of the little annoyances that we talked about. The ads in Windows 11, the fact that they're pushing you towards all sorts of things that are popping up and asking you questions about, well, you should move on to this, or do you want to try that? Or it definitely lessens the experience. I think Microsoft doesn't understand that turning productivity software and an operating system into an ad device isn't the best idea in the world. But they're trying to make the best, getting the most amount of money, the most cash possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.